Let's take a look at the topic. Power station. A power station is a place where electricity is produced. How is electricity produced in a power station? Let me explain. Now we'll discuss in detail the process of generating electricity step by step. Coal is found underground inside the layer of earth. It is mixed with the soil in the ground, which is extracted through coal mining, and that is used for different purposes. In coal-fired power plants, coal is the fuel that burned to generate electricity. In the power plant, there is a boiler which is a furnace where combustion takes place. Pulverized coal is injected into the furnace through the burner. Another part of the system is a steam turbine generator. It converts the heat energy captured by the steam into electrical energy. First, the intense boiler heat coming from the furnace turns water running through the pipes around the boiler into steam. The steam travels through more pipes to the turbine, causing it to spin and turn the shaft of the generator, which creates electricity. The generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. The electricity which is produced is delivered to customers through transmission and distribution power lines. The electrical charge goes through high voltage transmission lines that stretch across the country. It reaches a substation where the voltage is lowered so it can be sent on smaller power lines. It travels through distribution lines to our neighborhood. So there are different types of power plants for energy generation. Let's see. Let's see the next topic. Thermal power station. How electricity is produced in a thermal power station. Let us discuss about this. Coal is found underground, which is extracted through drilling and mining, and then they are transported to the power plants. In a thermal power plant, coal is sent to the combustion chamber of the power plant through conveyor belts, and then the fuel is burned at constant temperature with air. By burning of coal, large amounts of heat is produced. In the plant, there is a circulating water pump which circulates water from the river. This water flows through the tubes. Now the flowing water inside these tubes takes up the released heat and converts into steam. Now the steam is stored and then taken to high pressure, and as this high pressure steam is released, it strikes the blades of the turbine and the turbine rotates. The force of the fluid on the blades spins the rotor shaft of a generator, and as the turbine rotates, the generator attached to the turbine also rotates. Let's see the picture. The generator converts the thermal energy of steam from the steam generator to electrical energy. As the shaft of the generator rotates, it produces electricity, then it travels to the transformers, and then electricity is supplied through the transmission lines to the distributors. This is how a thermal power plant works. Now look at this topic. Another type of energy that has been used for many years is the hydropower energy. Hydropower plants convert the potential energy of falling water into electricity. How does a hydropower plant work? Let us discuss about this. Look at this picture. Hydropower plants are associated with dams. A dam is a large barrier constructed to raise the level of water and control its flow. The elevation created by the dam creates gravitational force for turning the turbine when water is released. Let's see how it works. Water is then passed through the turbine over the blades, causing the inner shaft to rotate. This rotational motion is then transferred to a generator where electricity is generated. Let's see. The mechanical energy created by moving water spins rotors on a turbine. This turbine is connected to a generator which produces electricity when the turbine spins. After electrical power is generated, it is transmitted over distances using transmission lines. This power is carried through lines to the distribution systems located in the local service territory. This is how flowing water is converted into electricity and then supplied to the distributors. I hope this is clear to you. Now look at this picture. The second form of electricity production is flow of river. River water flows in different directions. In this system, water is diverted to flow downwards. Example, we tilt a water bottle to fill a glass with water. When we tilt the bottle, the water falls. Similarly, in flow of river system, they uses the natural downward flow of river, diverting just a portion of water through turbines. The force of the moving water spins a turbine and drives a generator. When electricity is produced, it is supplied to the distributors through transmission lines. This is how flow of river is used to generate electricity. This was the process of hydropower generation.